If you're interested in estimating the income of each YouTube channel or YouTubers, watch this video until the end. Well, you must have seen by now that some YouTube mentors, when they introduce different YouTube ideas, also tell the approximately income of the channel in which they operate. Today I will teach you how you can find the income of almost any channel through a website. Well, the method used by almost all the YouTube mentors to display the income of each YouTube channel is to use the Social Blade site. The method of using this site is very easy and convenient. You just need to copy the link of the channel you want to find the income of and enter it. Replace this site in the upper right corner and press the search button. For example, let's see the income of Mr. Beast channel. Well, first we will search Mr. Beast. Now we open the channel, go to the card section and copy the general link of the channel. We wait for a while until it finds the channel. As you can see, this channel has about 1.972 billion views this month, and this month's income is between $492,000 to $5.9 million. Well, let's see the income of Eman Ghazi channel. Well, like the previous round, first we find Eman Ghazi's channel, then we copy the link, we open the Social Blade site and replace it in the top part. Well, you can see this channel has about 8.5 million views last month and earned between $2.1 thousand and $31,000 in this last month. So, one or two weak points that this site has. First of all, this site cannot distinguish the views of short videos and the views of long videos, and it counts the views of long videos and short videos at the same time. But as you can see, the views of short videos are very low compared to the views of long videos. And even if the channel has short videos, the estimation of its income is not correct. And the second problem with this channel is that the CPM of the channel is finally calculated up to $4. But as you know, topics such as earning big money online, investment, financial and insurance issues have high CPM, and this site earns a lot of money from these topics. It shows less, but in general there is a good site where you can estimate the income of the channels. Well, thank you for staying with me until the end of this video.